Hello everyone, it's Dianne at Minerva. I hope you're all doing really well this week. And today I'm excited to share with you the latest releases for spring by Vogue. So these Vogue patterns are available here at Minerva. So you'll be able to order your fabric, your notions, your patterns all in one place, and this will make it really easy for you to get on with that next project. So all of these patterns are suitable for spring and summer. So you're bound to find something that you love, maybe one or two for your summer holidays and a few for work and casual wear. So let's jump straight in and I will share my top picks out of these patterns, and along the way I will be sharing a few ideas for fabrics to give you a little bit of inspiration. So first up we have this real showstopper of a dress. It's pattern number 2155. Here we have a lined fitted dress. So the bodice, it has princess seams. There is a high-low hem to the skirt. So it's gathered. And we also have this asymmetrical look to the front with a built-in flower. Now this gives this high-low finish at the front. So some real show-stopping details here. I think this is a beautiful dress. And if you have an event to go to this year, this really would be the one for you to make. So we can use a taffeta or a shantung, a sateen. I think we have some gorgeous prints here at Minerva in our exclusive range that would look really well with this. So I'm going to insert a few. Do have a look through because it's such an extensive range. There's going to be a few that really stand out to you and would work perfectly well with this. So if you have that event this year that you need to really make an entrance, this is the dress for you. Now it is an advanced make, so you will need a few skills for this one. Sizing is 6 to 14 and then 14 to 22. Now for my next choice, it's a more average ability make, and this is pattern number 2161. So it's these lovely trousers. They have a structured waist. We have some pleats at the front, back waist darts, side pockets and also welt pockets to the back. And there is an invisible zip closure. So I think these are the perfect summer trousers. They have a really lovely feel to them. You can dress them up or down, make them in a neutral or maybe a really bold colour. Choose one of the bright zesty colours that's in fashion at the moment to really bring these up to date, or keep it neutral if you want them for work wear. So a lovely pair of staple trousers for your wardrobe. This comes in size range 8 to 16 and then 14 to 22. Now you could go for a linen blend, or maybe a crepe for this one. Again, I will insert a few fabrics to give you a few ideas of what to look out for. Now here we have a jumpsuit. It's pattern number 2163. So we all need that perfect jumpsuit in our collection, don't we? This one is really different because we have this gathered look. We also have a keyhole neckline and there are self ties at the waist. It also has a front zip and fold back sleeves. So you could make this in a range of fabrics, nice and lightweight, perfect to take on holiday. Why not try a cotton blend, a poplin, a linen, or maybe a shirting fabric to keep it nice and loose and cool. Sizing is 4 to 14 and then 16 to 26. And this one is an average ability make. Next we have a vintage style dress by Dianne von Furstenberg. So this is a vintage wrap dress, sort of 80s era. And this is an easy make, so it's a lovely style but perfect for all of you of all abilities to give this one a try. So we have a fitted lined bodice, there are shoulder pads, of course we have that wrap feature around the front. It has a long sleeve and you can have it just below the knee or the full length evening gown style, depending on what you're looking for. You can go for a chalet, a double knit, a crepe de chine, a wool crepe, or maybe a silk. Sizing is 8 to 16 and then 18 to 26. All of these reproduction patterns always come with additional information and additional sizing. Now if you're looking for patterns that you can incorporate into your workwear, then this next one, 2166, could be just the one for you. So here we have a jacket and trouser pattern. So the jacket has front and back seams with welt pockets and a shaped hem. And then the trousers, again, we have welt pockets, but we also have that barrel look to the trousers. So while it being a smart sort of suit look pattern, we still have that very much fashionable trouser here. So a perfect one for your summer workwear wardrobe. Now it's an average ability pattern, so most people could give this one a try. And for summer, we could go for a linen, a suiting, or depending on what time of year you're going for, you could go for a wool blend as well. Sizing is 8 to 16 and then 18 to 26. Next up, we have a dress, pattern number 2151. This is a slim fitting shirt dress. This one has a really modern look to it. We have a front wrapping sleeve or shoulder sleeve that wraps around. There is a hidden button placket and also a sash. We have front pleats and back darts and inseam pockets, and there is a pointed collar and extended shoulders. So some nice details to this one. So while being a shirt dress, it sort of has that more modern, edgier look to it, and I think depending on what fabric you use could really make it stand out. Now you could go for a poplin or a cotton or linen blend. You could also use a sateen. So depending on your occasion would dictate which fashion or which fabric choices you go for. Now this pattern does say it's for advanced ability. Sizing is 8 to 16 and then 18 to 26. Now your spring summer wardrobe collection wouldn't be complete without the perfect top. Now this next one, 215A, is really unusual. I love the look of this one, and you could make it in a range of styles and with or without sleeves. So it's a wraparound top and it ties at the back. So we have this really unusual sort of crossover detail to the front. We have back ties, and again there is an invisible button placket on this one. I think it's really lovely. So more summery with the sort of halter neck look and the sleeveless version. But with the long sleeves, you've got a little bit more of a cover up. And of course, this one features a cuff as well. You can make this in a cotton lawn, a cotton blend, a shirting, a poplin, or maybe a sateen. It's sizes 6 to 16 and then 16 to 26. And again, because of the details, this one states it's an advanced ability pattern. Now, if you can only treat yourself to one pattern out of this collection, this next one might be for you because it's really good value. So it's pattern number 2165, and here we have a jacket, skirt and trouser pattern in one. So we have a loose V-neck jacket with tie front, side vents and welt pockets. So some lovely details going on there. And then we have a slim fitting skirt with an invisible zip to the back, and also some tapered trousers, again with an invisible zipper. So you can wear these as a collection or you can wear them as separates. I actually think you could make it up as workwear, and then the jacket with those ties at the front would look really lovely in a chambray or a denim fabric or some other canvas or twill. And you could really make this a more casual looking garment depending on your fabric choices. And the same with the trousers and the skirt. So if you only buy one pattern, you can really do lots with these three garments that you can make from this one. So it's really versatile. Now, the fabrics suggested on the packet are a heavy linen, a gabardine or cotton blends. And it also suggests stretch wovens. So I would imagine that would work really well on the tapered trousers. Sizing is 8 to 16. And then 18 to 26. And this one is an average ability pattern. This next pattern, 2150, is a classic shift dress. So a beautiful fitted button down dress. We have princess seams, a dual neckline, and there is a fabric belt with a covered buckle. So I think this one would make the perfect wedding guest dress. So if you have a wedding to attend this year, maybe some other social event which requires formal wear, I think this one is just beautiful. It has that classic look. So again, with this one, you can make it look formal or casual depending on your fabric choices and colours. Bring it right up to date with those colour choices, or keep it nice and neutral for a more classic look. Sizing is 4 to 12 and then 14 to 22. It's an average ability make, so perfect for most of you of all abilities. And the fabric suggestions are crepe, linen or wool twill. And finally, I'm ending on another dress today, and this one is pattern number 2149. This one is designed by Bagley Mishka, and I love the style of this. So it has a fitted shirt style top, and then it's fit and flare. So we have that flared out skirt. And this one is another one that would be perfect for a special occasion, a wedding guest dress, because it has that classic stylish look that would really bring a bit of elegance to your outfit if you have somewhere important to be this year. And I think it looks beautiful in this pale blue. So if you made it in that pale blue in a sort of sateen, that would look just stunning. So we have a sash belt. It's fully lined. We also have cap sleeves. There's a notched collar, covered buttons, and also an invisible zip. And let's not forget those side seam pockets, because I know many people love a dress with pockets. This one is an advanced make, so a few more skills for this one, probably mainly the zip, the covered buttons, and so on. Sizing is 6 to 16 and then 16 to 26. Why not go for a sateen, a linen blend, a cotton blend, maybe a twill, maybe add in silk if you're feeling a little more adventurous. I will add in a few fabrics here to give you a little inspiration. If you don't want to go for a plain fabric, why not go for something bold and check out one of our fabulous Minerva exclusive prints. Well, that's all from me for today. I hope you've enjoyed looking through that new spring range from Vogue. I think there are lots of beautiful garments there to choose from. Please let us know how you get on and also which ones are your favourites. Remember, you can take a look at Minerva Craft Club if you'd like 10% off all your orders for a whole year. And of course, create a free account with us to join in with our wonderful worldwide sewing community. That's all from me for now, but I'll be back soon with more sewing inspiration for you. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.